Hello again. So it's been almost 2 weeks, I think 11 or 12 days since I got my pop-on veneer, and just wanted to continue to elaborate on some of the experiences and joys that it's brought me. It just thinking back, I wanted to mention real quick, I think there were 3 or 4 different types that I tried. The pop on, snap in, cheap, whatever. But by the time I was done, I was probably close to $100, and none of them fit. None of them are anything, so what a waste of money. But my confidence continues to grow. I love how easy in and out they are. Cleaning is a breeze. They really came through. You will not be sorry to go to them. It's very, very, very much worth the money. They're constantly running deals. Go see Pop On. They can change your life, I'm telling you. I highly recommend and would do that over and over again. I mean, from what I had to yeah, that easy, in and out, no glue, no nothing, and adapting was almost seamless. It really was almost instant. Talking was normal. I don't fight for them to stay in. They going almost a year with missing my front teeth to this definitely changed, and you start to learn how to talk different. It was almost overnight, right back to normal. Pop On, thank you. You will not be sorry. Give them a try.